Hello children, I hope you all remember letter C, its phonic sound and the words that start with letter C. Let's revise. What is the sound of letter C? Letter C sounds K. Once again, letter C sounds K. And which are the words that start with letter C? Say K, cat, K, carrot, K, capsicum, K, cow, K, car, K, caterpillar and K, cake. Good children. And let me ask children, what is the sound of letter I? Letter I sounds A. And what is the sound of letter R? R sounds R. Good children. Now we are going to write letter C. To get the formation, we can practice as follows. For that, we need a tray and put some sand or rubber in it. Children, you have already learned how to draw forward curve. Letter C is like forward curve. Now, let's start writing. Take your pointer finger and write from the top forward curve. Letter C. Once again, from the top, write forward curve. Letter C. You can practice like this. Now, I am going to write letter C on the board. Listen carefully how to write in 4 lines. Start from the second line. Say and write forward curve. Letter C. Once again. Forward curve. Letter C. Did you understand? Now, we are going to write letter C in the worksheet. So, children, all of you take a pencil in your hand, hold it properly with 3 fingers, keep the pencil on the dot. Start from the top. Forward curve. Letter C. From here, write forward curve. Letter C. And now we can write on the 4 line. Start from the top. Say and write forward curve. Letter C. Once again, forward curve. Letter C. Likewise, you have to finish all these lines. Now, we are going to write letter C on another 4-line worksheet. Keep your pencil on the second line and start writing forward curve. Letter C. Once again, forward curve. Letter C. Likewise, you have to complete this worksheet without making any mistake. Next, let's do an activity worksheet based on letter C. First question is, color the images that starts with letter C. Color the images that start with letter C. You have to look each pictures and color only the picture which start with letter C. Now, see the first picture. This is a picture of cat. Cat start with the letter C. So, we can color cat. Here, Miss is going to give orange color for cat. Color neatly within the borders. Children, are you doing? Likewise, you have to look each pictures and color only the picture which start with letter C. Now, next question is, color the circle that contain letter capital C or small letter C. You have to find the letter C in this question and you have to color the circle which contain letter C. For example, I will do. See the first row. Here we can see letter C here. So, we can color this circle. Here I have taken green color for coloring. You can take any color you like. Likewise, you have to complete this. Next question is, say the name of each picture, circle the letter that matches the beginning letter C. Here you can see so many pictures that you have to read out the picture. What's the name of this picture? This is a picture of caterpillar. This is a picture of caterpillar. So, caterpillar starts with the letter C and you have to find here letter C. So, here is letter C that you can circle. Okay. Likewise, you have to finish it. The next question is, identify capital letter C and small letter C. Draw a line to connect the capital letter C to small letter C, small letter C to capital letter C, capital letter C to small letter C through the maze. Here you can see the maze. You have to connect capital letter C to small letter C, small letter C to capital letter C. Now I am going to connect. Likewise, you have to connect capital letter C to small letter C, again small letter C to capital letter C, and you have to reach here. You have to complete it neatly without making any mistakes. Okay, children? Dear parents, please guide your child to complete these worksheets and keep it as safe in a file. Children, hope you all understood today's class. See you soon. Bye, children.